If anybody comes up to you and try to tell you that this property has extremely high rental yield, I want you to be very careful about it. Now, I'm not saying that these properties are bad, but I just want you to scrutinize the details even more carefully when that statement is being made. So the first thing we need to understand is what is rental yield. A very simple calculation would be to take the annual rental of the property divided by the purchase price multiplied by 100. So assuming I buy a property for $1 million, my monthly rental collected is $3,000. So $3,000 multiplied by 12, I get $36,000 divided by 1 million multiplied by 100. My rental yield will be 3.6%. So why do we need to scrutinize properties that have potentially high rental yield? Because you need to understand, before high rental yield properties can happen, two very important things need to be in place. Number one, the potential rental collected for this property is got to be very high, and the total purchase price of the property needs to be low. Only in this situation you get a good rental yield. So the next question you probably want to ask yourself is, if I'm able to collect this amount of rental, why is my property price stuck in this level? And very often the reasons could fall into one of these categories. Number one, the property is poorly maintained and doesn't have much facilities. Number two, the property is very old. Number three, the property might not have the highest demand in the area due to whatever reasons. So if you're thinking right now, that's alright, because if I buy the property at a low price, and if in the future I might have to sell at a low price to attract the future buyers, in between I'm collecting rental, at the end of the day I would be fine. The answer is no, that is not true. You got to understand that whatever rental that you are collecting is gross rental. You need to take your rental income and offset things like bank interest, income tax, maintenance fee, property tax, renovations, agent fee, legal fees, and stamp duty, because these are the costs that you will incur the moment you buy the property. So remember to always find out exactly why this property is able to achieve high rental yield. Especially if you are a property buyer, these things are extremely important for you to know. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel and get in touch with me if there is any particular situations or property you want me to analyze, and I'll see you in the next one.